Welcome back student. Today I am going to explain exercise 3F as it is based on the problem and question number 5a. Super Express has 624 seats. 128 seats are in AC coaches. How many seats are there in non-AC coaches? So total Super Express has number of seats 624. Super Express has seats. How many seats? 624 seats. 624 seats. Total number of seats 624 and 128 seats are in AC coaches. Seats are in AC coaches. Seats are in AC coaches. 128 seats are in AC coaches. How many seats are there in non-AC coaches? So number of seats are in non-AC coaches. Asking question, number of seats are in AC coaches. Question mark. So total number of seats in Super Express, it is 624 and seats are in AC coaches 128. What is asking? Number of seats are in AC, non-AC coaches. Number of seats are in non-AC coaches. So non-AC coaches, how many number of seats are there? So it means from the total seats, how many seats are there in Super Express? Total seats, from total seats you can subtract seats are in AC coaches 128. After what you get, it will be answer that number of seats are in AC coaches, non-AC coaches. So number of seats are in non-AC coaches. It is asking question. So according to question you can solve this as total seats 624 and AC coaches 128. Now you can find out non-AC coaches. So non-AC coaches, how many? So seats in non-AC coaches. So 4 is less. From 4, 8 cannot be subtracted. So it will be 14. 14 minus 8, 6. Here it will be 1. From 1, 2 cannot be subtracted. This one will take borrow from this 6. From 6 means 100 plus 6. So it will be 11. 11 minus 2, 9. And it will be 5 here. 5 minus 1, 4. So 496 seats in non-AC coaches. Seats in non-AC coaches. How many? 496. So remaining seats for non-AC coaches. Remaining seats for non-AC coaches is equal to 496. So in this way you can solve the question. So firstly, what is given point? You can write from the question. After that, what is asking the questions in the given question? So number of seats are in non-AC coaches. How many? So from total seats, you can subtract what is the number of AC coaches. So seats in AC coaches, you can subtract here, and you can get 496. Next question. 5B. 5B, you can do yourself, but you see, if 286 students join a school, the school will have 1500 students. How many students does the school have now? So total, if 286 students join a school, means in a school already the number of students as it is given. So the school will have 1500 students. So how many students does the school have now? So total number of students the school have now. So you can do yourself, as if 286 students join a school, the school will have 1500 students. So how many students does the school have now? So total students, as you can take that the new joining school, you can subtract from the 1500 and you can get answer. Question number C. Question number C you do. There were 8,725 people watching a match in a stadium. During a break, only 2,658 people remained in the stadium. How many people went out? So from the total people they were watching match in stadium, you can subtract the number of people during the break they remained in the stadium, 2,658. So how many people went out? So you can subtract from 8,725. You can subtract 2,658 from 8,725. So people watching a match means total people in stadium watching match is equal to 8,725. 8,725 people total. During a break, only 2,658 people remained in the stadium. During the break, people remain in the stadium. During the break, people remain in the stadium. People remain in the stadium is equal to 2,658. 2,658 means out of 8,725 people in the break, only they remain there 2,658 people. So how many people went out? Number of people went out. So you can find out number of people went out. Number of people went out, question mark. You can write the steps, total number of people that they were watching the match in stadium, 8,725, and during the break the people remain in the stadium. How many? 2658. Asking question, number of people went out, means how many number of people went out during the break. So it means if you subtract 2658 from 8725, you can get answer. So you can find out answer that 8725 minus 2658. So 5 from 5, 8 cannot be subtracted because 5 is less. It will take borrow from 2, it will be 15. So 15 minus 8, 7, and 2 has given 1, it will be 1 here. Remaining from 1, 5 cannot be subtracted. This one will take borrow from 7, it will be 11. 11 minus 5, 6, and 7 has given 1. So here will be 6, 6 minus 6, 0, and here 8 minus 2, 6. So total, how many people went out? 6067 people went out. You can check this. 8, 7, 15, 5, 1 carry, 6, 5, 11, 1, 12, 1 carry, 6 and 1, 7, and 6 to 8. In this way, this is correct. So 6067 people went out during the break. Question number D. Question number D, you can see part number when added to 500 gives 750. Means which number you can add it to 500 that gives 750. So in this way, if you subtract 500 from 750, you can have that number what should be added. So you can subtract directly as 750 minus 500. So 0, 5 here, and 7 minus 5, 2. 250 means 250 part number when added to 500. So 250 means, hence you can write, hence 250 when added to 500, gives 750. 500 gives 750. Means if you add 250, this 250 to 500, so you can get 750. Means it gives 750, means you can get 750. So from 750 you can subtract 500, you can get answer. Part number should be added to 500. So if you add 250 to 500, you can get 750. So 250 will be answer. Question number E, 5E. Part number when added to 4569 gives 7241. Like this you can do. 7E also you can do yourself. So you can do yourself as what you did, like that 5D, like that 5D you can do. Means 7241, 7241, you can subtract 4569. 4569. 11 minus 9, 2. Here will be 3. From 3, 6 cannot be subtracted. It will take borrow from 2. 30 minus 6, 7. Here will be 1. 1 from 1. 5 cannot be subtracted. It will take borrow from 7. It will be 11. 11 minus 5, 6. And here 7 has given 1. So it will be here 6. 6 minus 4, 2. So 2672. So 2672 when added to 4569, so it will be 7241. So answer will be 2672 added to means 2672 added to 4569. 4569 as to get 7241. So this will be answer 2672. You can check your answer. 9 to 11, 1 carry, 7, 6, 13 and 1, 14, 1 carry, 6, 5, 11 and 1, 12, 1 carry, 4, 2, 6 and 1, 7. So if you are adding this, you can get 7241. So in this way, this is the answer. So today you complete page number 55. Today's work